Hey, what the fuck is up?
My boots.
Oh my god.
These aren't even mine.
I'm so excited on my ladies today. You guys, we're driving in this super storm.
This super blizzard.
Hey guys, we're gonna be doing a little Christmas vlog. We're on our way to Cape Cod.
We're on our way to fucking Plymouth Plantation. Let's go to Cape Cod.
I'm gonna find ya. I'm gonna get you.
The cops are behind me. The cops are behind me. Stop, the cops are behind me. The cops are behind me, stop. I don't know. Holy shit.
Holy shit!
Holy shit. Oh my god!
No, is the cop still behind us?
No.
Oh, fucking thank God! So we're so lost right now. We
We're
literally
in Plymouth Plantation.
Plymouth Plantation history lesson.
Over the fucking snow.
It's literally fine. You have 4-wheel drive. The cops was behind us, and we're
That was scary.
Phoebe's nipples got hard because she's the thing for cops.
I think.
Stop.
Oh my God,
Driving
there's a
lesson.
fucking car
Stop!
behind us. Wait. This is part of your road test. You have to learn how to do that. I'm gonna hit the effing curb. I'm really gonna get stuck.
Guys, this is story of my life is One Direction's best single. I'm gonna put a poll in the description. We're getting back on the highway to go the same way.
No, I have to bang a Yui up here. I'm literally scared. I hope there's no coppers.
Is that even legal?
I don't know. Oh my god, I made it worse. Don't waste your time on me, you're already always inside my head. Hey! Don't ever tell me I'm ugly. Cause it's, bitch, is you.
Is he black? What is on the side of your leg?
Oh Jesus! What the fuck is that?
Did you get that?
Are you? Almost. Are you drunk?
I just fell. I have to fart. Should I fart?
Yeah.
Ow! Get off me! I really broke the collarbone. It hurt so bad.
You
Billy.
liked it.
No, I didn't.
Wait.
Sorry, motherfucker. Hey, wait! Story time. So, guys, this morning I got off the exit to go to Mary Lou's to get all my honey's coffee, and I ordered, and then after I ordered, I was driving into the window, and then I was like, oh, like, let me get my wallet out and ready. So I was looking for my wallet, and I was like, holy fucking shit, like, I left my wallet at home.
Holy fucking shit!
I was like, holy fucking shit, I left my wallet at home. I was like, what the fuck do I do? And then I was gonna go up to the
My old
window,
house. There's the new homeowner. He's outside.
Okay.
and then I was gonna go,
Looks so pretty on.
I know, like the trees. And then I was gonna go to the window and tell him that I forgot my wallet, but then I got too scared and I scooted away. But we. Oh my god, it fits perfectly. Are we actually going to?
Lately I can feel it drifting, but I'm still here hoping that it gets better now. It gets better now.
Yeah. Yeah. What? Yeah.
Is it this street?
Yeah, that's right.
Why didn't you say anything?
I just fucking said it.
God, like,
Like
oh my
what?
god. That effing water. Take an effing picture on my phone. Window down. Don't be foolish. Vlog out the window. Vlog out the window. god. I literally could not see. I literally, the whole fucking windshield was covered. Cordelia, wasn't that crazy? Should we do that again? Should we do that again?
That was
Is it
so
really?
fucking funny.
Should we do that again?
Oh no!
I'm going back on Weight Watchers.
Cause I just wanna party all night in the neon lights till you can't let me go.
Just wanna feel your body right next to mine.
I'm low-key scared. See, literally walking down this hill. Oh my god. I'm gonna pee. I'm gonna fucking. Priscilla wrote that.